So this here is my new 22-inch Yardmax self-propelled gas push mower. I'm gonna go ahead, unbox it, show you everything inside, how to get it set up, and we're gonna get this thing into use. All right, so here's the box. Got some packing material. Then you got the mower bag itself here. Cut your grass clippings. So then we've got the mower itself here. Got the instruction manual, a couple components in there. So now we're gonna go ahead and lift the mower on out. So here's a quick look at the mower just out of the packaging here. I'm looking at the tires and these look like really high quality, heavy duty material, nice rubberized traction grips on the wheels there. So the deck here, it is a 22-inch cutting deck, which is plenty large enough for our yard. We've got about a half an acre here that we're going to be using this mower to cut. This is a 201 cubic centimeter engine here. That is going to give us plenty of power to cut through even our toughest of lawns if we ever let it grow out. You can see here's the bag port. If you're going to bag your mulchings and clippings, you can go ahead and lift that up. There's a little spring there that will keep that in place. Otherwise, if you're looking to return the clippings back into the yard, there is this port here that you can install the side discharge chute onto. So first step is we are going to get the handlebars into the normal working position here. You can see they all just kind of fold out in place. So you've got convenience here, 3 different holes allowing you 3 different heights for your handlebars here. And simply you pull out these locks and you can release them into whatever position you desire. They lock in place. Super easy to adjust if you ever need to. Then we've got these wing bolts here midway through the handles, and that just allows you to essentially tighten the handlebars into place. There's one on each side using these wing bolts. And now we're ready to release our handle here, cutting the cable tie. So these levers here are used for the engine safety bar along with the self-propelled feature. So now we've got our engine pull. We're just gonna slowly pull that upwards here. And we're gonna slide that through our engine skirt. So nice, it holds it in place there. You don't have to crouch down when you're getting ready to start the engine. You can be in an upright position and go ahead and pull that to start the engine. All right, so now we've got the side discharge chute here that we can go ahead and latch on. Simple as that. And then if you're gonna look to bag your mulch or your clippings, it's very easy to install the bagger. You've got this protrusion here on both sides of the bag, and then you've got this notch here in the handle that you're just gonna go ahead, lift up your back cover here. And insert that into place. Super easy, which is important because if you are going to be bagging, you're going to need to empty that out regularly. So easy to take out, easy to put in. So depending on if you're bagging or just going to release your mulch back into the yard, you can either have this chute in place here, otherwise easy to take out, cover down, and now you're bagging. Otherwise you can have this chute in place and you can have the bag off if you're going to release your clippings into the yard. If you're looking to use the self-propel function here, you've got speed control here. You've got 1 through 6, 1 being the slowest, 6 being the fastest. And so you can just move that lever to the desired setting, it locks in place. And then this lower handle here on the handlebar, that will actually engage your drive and it will work at whatever setting you have selected here. And speed adjustment is super easy. You can do it on the fly as you're mowing. You just use this handle, simple one-handed operation here. Very convenient. You don't have to stop the mower to adjust your speed. So height adjustment is super easy with this mower. You've got a lever here on the right side that adjusts the ratio of the wheels to the deck height. Right now we're at the lowest position, deck is closest to the ground. Otherwise, if you want to go to the highest position, you can see just how far off the ground the deck is. So there's 7 different positions here. So here's a look at the underside of the mower under the deck here. It comes equipped with the blade pre-installed here. And you can see that will just rotate. You've got the dual-sided, it's mulching blade here. Everything looks nice and well constructed, nice finish here. Looks like it's gonna hold up really nicely. This is metal construction here with then a plastic center base, metal blade. So nice heavy duty construction. And over time, if you ever need to sharpen or change out the blade, it'll be super easy. There's a bolt here, you can loosen up, slide the blade out. Another convenient feature with this mower that I haven't really had on other mowers before is there is a deck wash port here. So you can connect a garden hose to here and it'll shoot water through the underside of the deck and really clean off a lot of the grime and buildup that has occurred over time. And on the engine side of things, everything is looking really good with this 201cc engine here. You've got the spark plug, you've got the carburetor, you've got the air filter here, you've got obviously the gas port, and then you've got the oil port with the dipstick indicating your oil level in there. You've got a muffler. So pretty standard engine here, and then we've got our air filter here. You can see, already got an air filter, and the unit comes with the second one. So once this first one is dirtied up and ready for replacement, you can go ahead and put your new one in. So you can see here is the lawnmower fully assembled. Took all of 15 minutes to get it ready to go. You can see it has a nice sleek look to it. I love the orange and black. Gas engine, nice and powerful. Now we're going to go ahead and add the oil to the engine here using the provided funnel and oil. So after adding the ½ quart of oil that it came with, just look at the dipstick here. It may be hard to see, but our oil level is right to the top of the full mark here, so we are good, ready to get this fueled up and started. So now that we've got this all fueled up, we're going to go ahead and pull our top lever down and use our cord to start her up. All right, so we've got about a 35-degree slope here, and we're gonna go ahead and just demonstrate how well this Yardmax mower works on the incline here. Self-propel function has no issue handling this incline. So you can see the quality of the cut here. It is very nice, uniform. Doesn't look like the blade needs to be balanced at all. Comes right out of the box, cutting well. And right now I'm just bagging the clippings, and it's doing a great job keeping those in the bag, leaving very little behind. And this is on one of the lowest cut settings, so really cutting this down close. So I've cut a small portion of our lawn here. We're gonna go ahead and check out the bag. Easy to remove. You can see just how much we've already collected, so bagger does a great job picking up those clippings as you are mowing your grass. And the self-propel function has really good power behind it. It's rear wheel drive, and the speed range of 1 through 6 gives you plenty of flexibility. Speed of 1 and 2 is a pretty slow walk. You get up to 6 and you're walking at a brisk pace, so really flexible to fit pretty much anyone's needs. All right, so if you're looking for a nice gas-powered, self-propelled lawnmower, highly recommend this Yardmax. Plenty of power behind it to cut even the toughest of lawns.